Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we are unboxing a true monster of speed, the Hot Wheels Koenigsegg Jesko 2020, model code HYY66, number 125-250 from the 2025 HW Race Day series, scaled at 1/64. Let's dive into the details of this stunning miniature. The diecast comes in a vibrant yellow finish with black accents, aerodynamic lines, and a massive rear wing that reflects the real hypercar's extreme design. At this scale, Hot Wheels captures the Jesko's aggressive stance, perfect for collectors and diorama lovers. Now let's talk about the real beast behind this miniature. The Koenigsegg Jesko was introduced in 2019 as the successor of the Agera RS. It's a track-focused hypercar designed for both performance and speed records. Named after Jesko von Koenigsegg, father of the company's founder, it pushes engineering limits. Under its carbon fiber body, the Jesko hides a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8, capable of 1,280 horsepower on regular fuel and up to 1,600 HP with E85 biofuel. Acceleration is brutal, 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds. With optimized aerodynamics, including an enormous active rear wing, the Jesko is theoretically capable of exceeding 480 km/h. Koenigsegg engineers call it a road-legal track weapon, balancing downforce, lightweight materials, and futuristic design. This Hot Wheels version is a tribute to one of the most extreme cars ever built, and a must-have for hypercar fans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diecast unboxings here on the Growing Cars Show.